How to change time font on iPhone lock screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down on the screen from the top. You are now in your lock screen. Now, touch and hold the lock screen. Here, tap on Customize below. From here, you can customize the wallpaper of both your lock screen and home screen. Tap on your lock screen. Here, tap on the clock time at the top as shown. Over here, you can change the font color, style and size of the time. Try out all the colors, fonts and styles available over here. Once you select the font according to your preference, tap on Done at the top right corner. You have now successfully changed the clock font. Following these steps, you can easily change time font on iPhone lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.